Yeah, I'm just making a video about this Toyota bed that I got, and I'm dropping it off at the sandblasters. Free hose reel. Gonna have them sandblast that too. Came on this funky little trailer. Iowa. Well, there it is. Gonna be a lot different looking the next time I see it. All right, we are blasted up. 150 bucks is what the guy charged me. Hose reel looks pretty good for a free hose reel. Bed's looking pretty good. Kind of surprised all that caulking didn't get blown off. Some of it did. Left a pretty rough finish on it. I've had some other stuff blasted. Turned out a little different. I don't know if he's using a different sand or what. This turned up. I didn't expect that to be such a Swiss cheese, but whatever. Back wall of this bed's in pretty good shape. I'm gonna be putting some metal in there. Some metal right around there. And then the same Swiss cheese. See the light through it. I didn't think it was gonna be perfect. Because it's not perfect. But I'm looking for some recommendations on a product I should put on the bottom of this bed and the inside of this bed. I'm just gonna use single stage auto paint on the exterior sides, but I think I want to put something different in here, unless I shouldn't. I don't know. I was kind of thinking about Monster liner or something like that, Raptor liner, but you can put the car paint in it, so it gets tinted to the color. Yeah, I was gonna neutralize those seams with some of this rust dissolving stuff I have, but it's like really humid, and I think this thing's rusting in front of my eyes, so I'm gonna hose it down with primer. Yeah, all right, I dumped 2 cans of primer on it. Should have got 3. But it's enough. It's enough for the next couple weeks. I'm not going to do anything to it. It's going to be sitting inside. Sitting inside with a dehumidifier on it. Looks pretty good. The guy didn't want to blast it. He said, I'm going to warp it, this and that. And I said, well, just do anything that you're comfortable with. And so he did a lot. He did a lot. Now I got a lot to do. Goodbye.